How's it, Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel? Today we're going to be talking about soul urge number 9, the inner expression, deeper meaning. Alright, so before we get started, please subscribe to this channel, it's free, and also make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated with all our future videos. Without further ado, let's get started. Hermes was considered to be the wisest of all philosophers and brought light to the world in the form of wisdom. The 9 is a reflection of his lamp that lights the way. So 9 holds the knowledge of all the numbers before it. This endows 9 with the understanding and feeling of brotherhood. It is called the number of initiation, for the 9 contains all the knowledge of the numbers before it, and it will be tested on them. When it finishes its exams, it finds perfection in 10. 10 being the alpha and the omega always has a goal. 10 is ready to start a new project before the old is completed. Let the 9 take over the details and finish it up so that 10 equals 1 plus 0 equals 1 can get started on the next project. Okay, so the number 9 is the circle of continuity, the tail being the life force that propels it. This is seen mathematically. Take any numbers and subtract them in a reverse position from each other. The remainder, when reduced, will always be a number 9. For example, 864 minus 468 equals 396. Add those up equals 18, which is equal to 1 plus 8 equals 9. Add all the digits, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 equals 45, which equals 4 plus 5 equals 9. We as humans are here to learn certain lessons, and those lessons are found in our personal names. Every letter and number contains divine attributes of our Creator, talents and qualities that have been given to us at birth. By adding together both the total number value of the vowels and the consonants, you will find the total expression of the name. This indicates the direction that one should find their success and happiness. It combines their innermost desires with the outward projection of their total personality and talents, and therefore paints a true picture of their personality. Ascribe to each of the letters and numbers value in the alphabet in the reference chart below, and we're going to show that to you now. Vowels in a name tells the basis of your motivation, which is the animating spirit. This is called your soul urge or desire. You desire all that a number has in its vibration. The value of a birth name expression. For example, Danube uses his name when he comes into contact with others. His name is said when he speaks on the phone, when he speaks to family and friends, when he opens an account in a bank or a shop. He not only says his name, he writes it down. Everybody he knows calls him by his name. Numerology, numerical and alphabet reference chart. Alright, it goes from 1 to 9. 1 stands for A, J, and S, all the way up to 9, which is I and R. Name expressions. Danube name number 2, outer expression. D equals 4, A equals 1, N equals 5, U equals 3, B equals 2, E equals 5. You add this all up, it comes to 20. Name equals 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 equals 20, which equals to 2 plus 0 equals 2. Therefore, Danube's name number equals 2 outer expression. Therefore, number 2 is the birth name of Danube. Okay, so vowels equal A plus U plus E equals 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals 9. Therefore, Danube's soul urge number equals 9 in the expression, is on the chart on the mental plane. All zeros are dropped if they appear in the name chart. Birth name number 9, power and abundance. I'll help you any way I can. Number 9 is able to draw from the attributes of preceding numbers. Therefore, they understand and form any character desired. So, 9 is called the stage where any drama unfolds. This is because they are emotional. This is the vibration of actors and some politicians. This is why some actors aspire towards politics and why politicians are great orators. Both serve the public and appreciate the applause. This is a powerful mind number, implying a constant responsibility among those who have it. They are far more suited to art than to science, to humanitarian rather than to commercial pursuits. An important aspect of their purpose in life is to learn to translate the idealistic into the practical. Number 9s are born to give loving service in a profession or in the arts. Turn the 9 upside down and you have a 6, the voice that must be heard, the vibration that has its interest in its home and community. Number 9s are unselfish, dramatic, and philanthropists. Pythagoras called 9 good and evil. Being an enlightened 9, they should know the difference between the two. They are natural teachers or counselors, and many see them as old souls because they are. They have the ability to synthesize vast and complex information to make it easily understood by others, as people are drawn to their innate wisdom. All things mystical appeals to them, and they are quite psychic, making a perfect candidate for ESP and all those related subjects. Love is so important to 9s, they can love more than one person at a time, or a group of people, thereby experiencing the great joy of love in so many different areas. Okay, so number 9 carries both positive and negative attributes of the preceding numbers that makes them powerful. Negatively, they are often aimless. They are more suited to non-commercial undertakings as they tend to be poor financial managers, especially in their personal affairs. Burdened and frustrated, they feel emotionally unfulfilled. Their concerns and interests in others tend to unnerve them at times, causing them to rise to the heights of ecstasy or sink to the depths of depression and bad habits, becoming bitter, immorally unsound, and vulgar. Negative 9s tend to be overly sensitive to others' feelings and often take on family burdens or feel a sense of rejection from family members or groups. They need to let go of the past and live in the present. Once they learn to control their emotions through the study of philosophy, metaphysics, and other spiritual interests, they will rise like the phoenix from the ashes and take their place in the world as a truly enlightened being. This person, because of their nervous energy and sensitivity, they are susceptible to depression and need to become more physically healthy by exercising and watching their diet and what they drink, as they can put on weight. Name number 2 and soul urge number 9 complement each other in that 2 is on the spiritual plane, whereas 9 is on the mental plane. Danube's number 2 outer expression will help him with his number 9's inner expression during stressful periods to be emotionally calm in situations that he's going through in a balanced way so that harmony prevails. Positive number 9s, broad-minded, brotherly love, caring, love for humanity, creative, compassionate, great artist, romantic, and philanthropic. Negative number 9s, aimless, burdened, extremely sensitive, fickle, frustrated, impolite, over-emotional, and resentful. Okay, so that's it for soul urge number 9, the inner expression. Alright, so please like this video, please share it, and once again subscribe to our channel, it's free. And also make sure you hit the notification button so you can be updated with all our future videos. Alright, until our next video, this is Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Good day on you.